Hey guys, Dr. Davisson again here at LA Fitness, still going over some leg stuff. So this one is actually the leg extension machine, so you're primarily working your quadriceps through here. For like a normal workout, you can go pretty smooth, pretty fast, but if you're rehabbing stuff and you're trying to work the knees and other things like that, you want to take it nice and slow in this exercise. So it doesn't need to be a heavy weight, but you want to make sure everything's guiding well, okay? So you want to make sure that this pad is going to touch right about the bottom of your shins, the front of the ankles through there. You want to make sure that your bottom can reach all the way to the back, so you're not overarching or overextending, but you have a good position. And then you just go through and you start to straighten the knees out. So simple like that, you hold, come back down, and repeat. So usually like a simple exercise like this, you can do 3 sets of 10 and increase your weight as you go up, or just keep it the same if it's just starting and you're beginning. Pretty simple exercise, but a great way to work those quads and help strengthen up the knees too.